How's it going, everybody? Thanks for checking out our video today at the Auto Connect. We have an '08 Beetle with only 93,000 miles on it. Yes, there is some scratches. So as you can see here, the hood has some scratches on it. But mechanically, this thing drives great. The interior is the opposite of the scratches. It's in excellent condition. Headliner, on a bug like this, you see a scratch right here. It's hard to find bugs in this type of condition. Inside, see we got a cracked bumper right there. But overall, for what it is, good tires on it, mechanically sound. And let's look at the interior. The white leather's like great condition. Door panels are in perfect shape. It's hard to find in one of these bugs. Headliner's in great shape. Definitely hard to find in one of these bugs. And it has low miles on it. We have 93,488 miles. If there's something you might be interested in, definitely give us a shout. 228-438-2056. You could call us or text us, or check out more of our inventory at www.theautoconnectllc.com. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe if you know somebody in the market for this. And also, if you have an Audi, Volkswagen, Porsche, or other luxury foreign or domestic vehicle, definitely give us a holler, because we have a repair shop on premises and you don't have to buy the car from us. We'll still work on them. So give us a holler. Thanks for checking out this video.